Today I'm representing company Silv-Expo, but to better understand business, I will briefly tell about Biolat. It's Latvian company established in 1993, the company aim is to maximize the use of renewable forest resources and obtain unique raw materials from pine and spruce needles. And Silv-Expo is our scientific company doing studies to research these raw materials, pharmacological effects, and developing new products, food supplements. About exhibition, sorry, I wasn't there. These are my colleagues presenting our projects, but I will give short feedback about it. So, for our company, it was quite successful exhibition. We had 33 business contacts after the show, most of them from Malaysia, but also very important contacts from Singapore, Vietnam, Indonesia, Kenya, China. And of course, one of most important results is just to see this market and meet new people. So our products are food supplements, and registration procedure for food supplements in Malaysia is generally regulated in a manner similar to that of pharmaceutical products, and it can be even year long. To enter this market, we need Malaysian agent, and for them it's very important to know the quality, and they require GMP certificates for our products. Of course, also for us it's important to know product stability, and many projects are postponed because of stability tests for climate zone 4B. But one of great things that we got to know is that products already registered in France or UK, also Australia or United States, could be registered faster and easiest. So there are ongoing conversations and meetings, also in next exhibition in Singapore with these new partners, and in our opinion it's important to go also next year and to gain more value in the eyes of our partners. So that's all from me today. Thank you. Do you have some questions, or maybe you want to share your Malaysia experience?
One maybe remark or something that you reminded me is one difference is that sometimes when we are talking about with similar words, but the meaning is different, is about these tests, and what struck me there is the simple thing as room temperature. Because many products also in our shelves and everything you can read on the package that to be kept on the room temperature. But the room temperature in Estonia is one thing, room temperature in Latvia is pretty much the same thing. Room temperature in Singapore or Malaysia, however, is completely different thing. And how your product survives there and behaves there is absolutely a different story. And this was something that kind of I had never thought about it this way until I was there, and people started to ask me questions about room temperature. Okay, but what does it mean? What's your average room temperature? And okay, 20 degrees, 21 in Estonia. It's like it's already warm. It's like, but there it's something completely different. Again, do you know how those negotiations are ongoing with different partners? Because another thing what I noticed there is that almost everybody wants exclusive deals, and this maybe also is a kind of a follow-up question to Katrina, that because a lot of partners there want exclusivity. That every kind of business negotiation deal is about that. Can you give us exclusive deal? How is it in your experience and how it's going?
There are partners who want to this exclusivity. Yes. Sorry, the question was.
But as you said, that you are managing different partners and different negotiations. So how they are going, or how slow or fast, or can you elaborate on that one a little bit?
I think maybe for Malaysia market, it's our homework that we need to do for this documentation and tests for ourselves. And yeah, but it's of course it's not so easy than in Europe for your partners.
Yeah, but in Singapore it's a little bit more easy to go. For example, in Malaysia you need this GMP certificate for production. For Singapore, they don't ask GMP certificate for food supplement production.
Yes.
And in Singapore, for a lot of food supplements, it is according to list. It's not need to be registered.
Yes.
There's only need to notification. It means that in Singapore, you can go more faster than in Malaysia. And if you are in Singapore, then it's more easy again after that to go in Malaysia a little bit later, after you have all documentation is ready for submission.
Yeah, actually also from these contacts, yes, with Singaporeans we have gone further than with Malaysia partners.
Yeah, but from other side again, Malaysia and enterprise for Singapore is higher.
Mm-hmm.
I discussed during our business trip with some consultant companies, and they say, just for information, if you would like to be on a shelf in pharmacies, you need to pay 170,000 Singapore dollars just when you be in these pharmacies. After that, you need to pay additional shelf price. It's an entry fee for such big pharmacies. Therefore, the price, of course, in pharmacies is higher. It's just for food supplements, for OTC, and other medicine. Just need to calculate.
Mm-hmm.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
And I'm for keeping my manners this time intact. And also for you, we have a little goodie bag.
Okay.
And hopefully it will sweeten the deals with different partners.